So when we talk a little bit about the names of gems, everyone's heard of emerald and ruby and sapphire and pearl. We talk about it normally in the industry as species and variety. And it's a little bit like naming, we have families, and our family, we have family names, and then we also have our given name. And I like to think of it like that, although it's not really quite that way, but I like to think of it as a species is like the family name, and from that family, everyone has the same chemical composition and crystal structure. And then within a family, you can have lots of different family members, and they're all going to have different names because they will look different. And so that's how I think of the varieties of gems. Because they look different, either they have different coloring, or maybe they have some kind of phenomena, or maybe different opacity. So what happens is that we get varieties within species. Now, many people know variety names, so you might already know emerald and ruby and sapphire. Those are all variety names. Some people don't know the species name, and the species name is the one that really helps us when it boils down to chemical composition and crystal structure. Because what we need to understand is that all the varieties within a species are going to have the same chemical composition and crystal structure.